Today we'll walk you through the basics of digital marketing, perfect for beginners or anyone looking to refresh their knowledge. Let's get started. Introduction to digital marketing. Let's understand what digital marketing is. It's all about promoting products or services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet. Examples of digital marketing strategies: SEO, social media, email marketing, PPC. Digital marketing is essential because it helps businesses reach a larger audience, engage with customers, and drive sales. We'll break down the main components for you. SEO. Let's start with search engine optimization. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher on search engine results pages. Here are the basics of SEO. Keywords. Identify relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find these keywords and incorporate them naturally into your content. Create high-quality, valuable content that addresses the needs and interests of your audience. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Backlinks. Acquire backlinks from reputable websites to enhance your site's authority. Reach out to other websites for guest blogging opportunities and link exchanges. Technical SEO. Ensure your website is fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. Fix any broken links, use descriptive meta tags, and optimize your images to improve load times. Social media marketing. Next up is social media marketing. This involves using social media platforms to promote your products or services. It's a great way to engage with your audience and build brand awareness. Social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Here are some tips for effective social media marketing. Choose the right platforms. Focus on platforms where your target audience is most active. For instance, use Instagram if your audience is younger and more visually oriented. Create engaging content. Use a mix of text, images, videos, and stories to keep your audience interested. Share behind-the-scenes content, user-generated content, and industry news. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and participate in relevant conversations. Run contests, polls, and Q&A sessions to boost interaction. Email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing leads and converting them into customers. Build list, create campaign, analyze results. Build your email list. Collect email addresses through your website, social media, and offline events. Offer incentives like discounts or free resources to encourage signups. Create compelling campaigns. Send valuable content, promotions, and updates to your subscribers. Personalize your emails and use attention-grabbing subject lines to improve open rates. Analyze your results. Track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use this data to refine your campaigns and improve your results over time. PPC advertising. Pay-per-click. PPC advertising drives traffic to your website by paying for ads that appear on search engines and social media platforms. PPC platforms: Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram Ads. Here are some tips for effective PPC advertising. Set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on your PPC campaigns. Start with a small budget and gradually increase it as you see positive results. Choose your keywords. Select relevant keywords that your audience is likely to search for. Use tools like Google Ads Keyword Planner to find the best keywords for your ads. Create compelling ads. Write attention-grabbing headlines and descriptions. Use high-quality images or videos to make your ads stand out. Monitor and adjust. Regularly check your ad performance and make necessary adjustments. Pause or refine ads that aren't performing well and allocate more budget to successful ones. Content marketing. Valuable content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Types of content: blog posts, videos, infographics, ebooks. Here are some tips for effective content marketing. Know your audience, understand the needs, interests, and pain points of your target audience. Use surveys, feedback, and analytics to gather insights. Create high-quality content. Provide valuable information that solves problems or entertains your audience. Promote your content. Share your content on your website, social media, and through email marketing. That's it for our digital marketing guide. We hope you found this helpful. Keep experimenting and learning, as digital marketing is always evolving. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.